Hi, welcome to COM125. My name is Marlene Adzima and I will be your instructor for this course. I'd like to take a few minutes just to show you around and make sure you know where to find everything in this class so that you can have a successful experience. We'll start here on the course homepage, and this is where you want to start each week. I will post a new announcement each Monday. Our course runs Monday through Sunday of each week, and so on Monday you want to look here and under the announcements, which are under the course homepage, to find out what's going on for that week. If you go back up to this content tab here, we'll look at next. If you click on the content, this is where all the content for the course is housed. So along the left here is the table of contents. You want to click the Start Here button, which is what you just clicked, to find a copy of the course tour and the syllabus. Here's my contact information. You can click on that, and if you click there, you'll get my contact information. If you go back here to the table of contents, you can scroll down, and you will see here that there's lots of great information here, and you want to look at each week. So while our course opens on the 16th, we don't actually get started until the 22nd. That's why we have a week 0. This is your week to scroll around in the class and get to know the course, etc. We'll also be introducing one another this week. And then you can see here there's different modules for the course. So when you click on a weekly module, you want to start out by looking at this to-do list. It will give you an idea of what's due that week. You can go back up here, and then everything you need to do that week is in that module. So here is this assignment, a description. You can click here to get to the assignment submission folder. So each week you'll click on that week's module. There's also links to the specific assignments down here. The assignments are also linked in the modules. I have links to the Writing Center. If you need help with writing, all the slideshows for the chapters, quiz reviews, final exam review, and extra credit down here. If you continue along this list, class list, this is where a list of your classmates can be found. You can click on that, and my name's at the top, so you can click that link to email me. I'm not going to click that today because I don't want to show the whole list for this class. Discussions here, this is where you can find specific information about our discussions. Here's the rubric that I use to grade all the discussions, so you might want to take a look at that, as well as reading the discussion requirements. And then you can see here, if you're looking to just read the discussions to get an idea, they're all in here. This is the Assignments tab. This is where all of your assignments are submitted. So I have links to these folders in each weekly module, but when you go to Submit an Assignment, you simply click on the assignment, and then you add your file from your computer, upload it, add, and then click Submit. Here's a link to all of our quizzes. We have 6 quizzes in here, and the final exam is also under here. So you want to be familiar with that. Again, everything is linked under the Content tab, so that's really where you want to go each week. Course home to start, and then to Content. And then finally, here's your grades. So you can see your grades here. If something has assessment details on it, you can click there, and then it'll give you specific information about that assessment. When you hand in a paper through the assignment folder, I will upload feedback to you in a rubric through this feedback section here. So you want to click on, there'll be a little bubble that looks like a speech bubble here. You can click on that to read the feedback. So that's our course briefly. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions at all. Email is the best way to go. I am on campus, though. Once in a while I get to meet an online student face-to-face, and that's kind of fun. My office hours are listed in the syllabus. I look forward to a great class.